Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module I want to show you how you can create multiple headers in a Word document and different footers in the same Word document. So first of all, I've got a blank document on the screen and I'm going to create a section break. To do that, you need to go to the Layout tab and then Breaks. I want it on a next page, so I've got two separate pages. Now if I just do the header first of all, double click at the top there, when I type Steve, that just goes onto every page. However, if I click onto the header of the second page, it says same as previous. If I click that off, link to previous, it's no longer linked, I can type a different word there and it will not affect that. So basically, to get the headers different, you have to have a section break, which I've got there. So I'll just do that again. Go back to, I'll come out of that for a minute. Go back to Layout, Break, Next Page, and then double click in the header. So at the moment it's repeating this one because it's got link or same as previous there. Take the link to previous off, and then I can put Steve on the end there. And that's how you do it. So if you've got a manual for Microsoft Office, for example, you could have a few pages with the header saying Word, Microsoft Word, a few with it saying Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, etc., etc. And each section can have its own header. Now, in terms of the footer, page numbering. Now, I'm not going to do the page numbering through this option because basically what you do there, that's the quick part options, and it just almost puts like a piece of sellotape across the bottom of the page with the format that you've got selected there. So that'll be it, and then anything else you try to put or that's already in the footer will be hidden. So rather than doing that, I'm going to go to the Insert tab and Quick Parts and use the field option like this. So if I go on the first page and go page numbering, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I'm going to break the link on this second page. So go back to layout, not layout, should I say, header and footer, and break the link. And do the same on that one. So they're no longer linked. Now on this one, I want it to start at 1. So I need to go into page number and format page number. Start at 1. So that section starts at 1. So does that one. And this one. Like so. Now what I also want to do is, if I add extra pages in this section or that section or that section, I want it to go 1A, B, C, D, and same there, section 2, B, whatever, and 3. So that'll go 3, section 3, or A, or B, or C. I'm going to use letters. So if I type the word section, so that's page 1 in section A. So if I go back to the Insert tab and Quick Parts and Field, there is a feature in there where you can put the section number in, and I want it A, B, C. So section A, this will be, and if I do that again on this one, section, this will be section B. If I do the same thing on that one, Quick Parts, Field, section, okay, B, and this will be page 1 of section 3, or C. Section ABC, okay. So that's how I want it to appear. So if I just double click off the header and footer. Now, if I do Control and Enter, which is a hard page break, you've got page 1 of section A, page 2 of section A, page 1 of section B. And if I just do a Control Enter on this page, and again come down, so I've got page 1 of section B, page 2 of section B, page 3 of section B, and then page 1 of section C. And the same process again, if I double click onto that and do Control Enter a couple of times, you'll have a few pages for section C. Now if you want, you could put the word page in front of this to make it slightly obvious, and then of, like that, just so it looks a bit straightforward. And perhaps I should have used the capital letters, but I'm sure you get the idea. You cannot do any of this unless you have got section breaks, and then once you've got section breaks, you can have separate headers, different headers per section, and you can do different numbering per section. And like you've got there, you've got section A, section B, section C. I could also have this set up so this first section was Roman numerals. The main body of a document could be just Arabic numbers, and then annex could be just ABC. Whatever you want, that's how you do it. You need to do section breaks. So hopefully this little video has been okay for you. Very short. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.